Node.js. In this video, we're going to download the Node.js installer from the Node.js website and install it, and then just need to verify the installation is successful. So let's go ahead into the browser and go to nodejs.org. Okay, we'll type in nodejs.org, and we're going to use the latest LTS version, which is 12.13.1 as of this recording. If you want to get the current version, you can install this version here. So it doesn't matter which one you use. And if you are on a Mac, or if you want to choose different operating system, you can click on the other downloads here. And from here, you can install the correct version for your system. So I'm on a Windows machine. I'm going to install the 64-bit for Windows. Okay, and you can go here, or you can click here and it will download that automatically for you. Okay, so I'm going to go and click that. Okay, so before we do install that version, I'm going to go to another tab here and go to the npm.js.com site. This is the npm, or the package manager for Node, and here you have access to hundreds and thousands of libraries or modules that we can use in our application. I believe up to date there's about maybe over 800,000 different packages, and all provided for free by some wonderful people out there. So we'll be using the npm installer as a package manager. And if you navigate to the docs on the top right, click on docs, and if you go to the CLI documentation, you'll see that it has a list of some very important functions or commands. The ones that we'll be looking at or use mostly in the course are things like the init to create a package or create an application, install to install an application, package. We'll use that quite extensively here. The ls or list, this is a command that can show you your current package install. And then down here, we'll be also using the start to start a package or start application. And then also the uninstall to uninstall any packages in our application. Okay, so you can always refer back to this page here, this site here, to review or some examples and see how these commands are used. Okay, so I'm going to close this browser. Well, we're going to go ahead and install that now. Click on this in my site file. And then I'm going to go ahead and close my browser. So I'm going to go ahead and close my browser. And then just go ahead and go through the wizard here to install it. I'm going to go ahead and accept the terms. And I'll just keep it as in the default directory here. And just click next again. If you want to install any tools, you can do that. I'm just going to leave that out. And then go ahead and click install. Okay, so it's going to allow that. And it should install again all the tools that you need, plus the npm manager, and we'll use that to do a lot of the interactions in the CLI, in the command prompt, to install and uninstall packages, mainly just those two, and of course to start the web server. Okay, so it's done, and you go ahead and click finish. So now we need to go and then verify that in the command prompt. So I'm going to go and load, if you want to load Visual Studio Code back to the test applications here, we can do everything from here. And I'm going to go to the command terminal, so you can press the control back tick like you see here, the toggle terminal. Or if you go to the, I think the view and then the terminal, that will take you there too. All right, so make sure we're in the same directory. I guess it doesn't matter here in this case, but I'm going to make sure that I'm here. And so to verify that Node is installed, you just basically check the version. And you can do that by typing the word node space -- version. And if that's successful, you should see that. If you don't see that here, you can do two things. As you can see, it doesn't seem to recognize it. So I think I had this opened earlier. So I'm going to close my code here and run it again one more time from the command here. I'm going to go and type in VSC, launch that again. Okay, so you're back in here now, and then again type in node space dash dash version. Okay, so you see that now it's recognized, and we are at the latest version 12.13.1. You can also verify to see if npm is installed. So npm, same thing, dash dash version. And as you can see, we are at 6.2.12.1. So we are good to go. A few of the commands that you will see are the init, install, and the list. Right now, there's nothing here yet. So if you try to do like npm list or npm ls, you really see nothing because we haven't done anything yet so far. All right, so now we have Node.js installed, npm also ready to go. In the next video, we'll explore the package.json file that is the heart of all Node.js packages.